Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will show something different and something which will really excite you because today we will make a custom animal fur text effect in Canva. So if I ask you please get me some fur alphabets, so you will search here in elements like this and you will find me one. So in graphics you can find many of them, but what if I ask you to make a custom for text effect? So now you need to think of something different to make this possible, but now with the help of Canva you can do it in just a minute. So let me show you now. So for this effect I will find something different, like the ones which are not easily available in this type of fur effect. Like we will find a fur design which is different from this and all with different colors. So I will have found something which is a purple fur or a pink fur which is available here, and we will use this design, and let me take it to the canvas. Okay, so this is the design which I will be using, and now let's head down to the apps, and here we will write as font frame, which the app we will be using here, and here I will choose this app and make sure you click this use selected image, and as you can see it quickly adapts to the image, but you need to work on some settings to make this very beautiful design. So for this you need to go to the settings here. First we will work on changing the outline thickness, which is we will make it to 0, and letter spacing we will make it to 35. So 25 will also work, so we will make it to 25, and make sure if you are using a double line you work on the line spacing, but we will just show it in single line, so we will just write here fur. Okay, so as you can see it quickly adapted here, and you can also work on some different things, but before showing that, let me work on the letter spacing a bit. Let's make it to 10, and so let's just decrease it to -10 and see if it looks better. So let's make it a little bit closer. So this one looks good, and so the letter spacing part is done, and now let me show you what you can do extra in this. So you can work on the image scale, like if I align it right here, so you can just see we can just zoom the image directly in here. We don't need any type of frames, any type of anything which you need to use the image and put it aligned every time, but we can do it all at once here. So I am clipping it at 1, and we'll just add to design, and as you can see the design is already here, but as the image is already here present, so we can't see it, so you have to just delete the image, and the effect is here and the frame is ready. And as you can see the fur font or the fur text effect is ready, and it is totally custom, and you can just change the selected image here and make your own text effect for you. So hope you like this tutorial, and some settings which you have to keep it in mind, that again I am telling you, is that outline thickness you need to keep it to 0. Letter spacing you can work according to the font. It is not limited, like here we are making it -25, you have to make it -25 for every effect. You work on line spacing only when it is required. If it is not required, you could just keep it that way. So this is the tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. and hit the bell icon to get notifications of this different type of tutorials for absolutely free in our channel. Thank you and hope you have a great day.